other offences under the Theft Act. We've looked at the offence of theft in detail, and many of the concepts discussed in that tutorial are also relevant to other offences against property provided for by the Theft Act 1968. I'd like now to talk to you about some of those offences, namely burglary, robbery, making off without payment, blackmail, and handling stolen goods. First, let us look at burglary. This is an either-way offence contrary to Section 9(1) of the Theft Act 1968 and carries a maximum sentence of 7 years imprisonment. A person is guilty of burglary if they enter a building, part of a building as a trespasser, and with intent to commit theft, GBH or criminal damage, or having entered any building or part of a building as a trespasser, they steal or attempt to steal or inflict or attempt to inflict GBH. There are therefore two different ways that a burglary can be committed. We will look firstly at burglary contrary to Section 9(1)(a) of the Theft Act. There are 6 elements to such a burglary. The actus reus consists of entry to a building or part of a building and trespass. The mens rea requires intention to enter, intent or recklessness as to the trespass, and intention to commit one of the offences of either theft, GBH, or criminal damage.